Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust volume on Google Maps. Google Maps offers voice navigation which can be super helpful while driving, but the volume might be too loud or too soft. Luckily, you can adjust it easily within the app. Now in this video tutorial, I'll tell you the instructions on how to adjust the navigation volume in Google Maps on your mobile device, since you can only use your mobile device while driving. Now, as you can see in this video tutorial, I'm using my desktop device, my computer. Now, I'm just gonna tell you the instructions, and if you follow them, you're gonna be able to do this on your mobile phone. The first step is to open the Google Maps app, and to do that, tap on your go to your phone's application and then choose Google Maps. Now if you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure you download this using the Google Play Store or App Store if you're using an Apple device like an iPhone. Now the second step is to tap navigation settings. You'll find it under the app's general settings. As for the third step is to choose your preferred volume. You'll see three options, one that says softer, normal or louder. For the fourth step, test the volume in route preview and start a route to check if the volume level works for you. Now you can also adjust the volume via your mobile settings by uh, uh, by by choosing whether you want high volume or low volume. With just a few taps, you can tailor the voice volume in Google Maps to match your driving conditions, ensuring you never miss a turn while staying focused on the road. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you adjust a volume on Google Maps. You can either adjust it on the Google Maps device or through your phone's settings. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.